Hello guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, Stock Options Trading Academy. Opening bell here. Hope everyone had a great weekend. We definitely did. We did some fishing. We got some trophy barracuda, 9-foot nurse shark, 8-foot bull shark. We got a 8-foot Sandusky the other day.
That's golden dusky.
Man, you got a 35-pound tuna?
Yeah.
That was amazing.
So good too.
That was amazing. We had a really great weekend. So let's make some money here today, guys. We're going to be taking a look at Visa. Carnival Cruise Line still in the climb, up about 1% right now. Dow's not doing too much. Pretty flat for the day with the protests going on. I think we should see a nice little rally here for the week, though. I think we are looking good. Amazon was upgraded to $2,800 a share this morning. Who was that by?
Morgan Stanley.
Morgan Stanley,
Yeah.
Reputable company.
They closed 2,400 last month.
Yep, they're at 24.53 now, so we're going to keep an eye on Amazon here and see if we can make some good day trades on Amazon. If I trade on a Monday, usually it's a swing trade. Amazon looks ready to take off. 12.54 climbing. I think she should easily take out 2,500 this week. I'm probably going to jump into a trade on Amazon here. That's probably going to be our first trade of the week here. So I'm just going to watch that here for a little bit. That breaks 24.60. I'm jumping into Amazon. Dow's only down about 68 points now. Nasdaq's up by 3. S&P's down by 4. I think we're going to see a rally come into the day today. Carnival Cruise Line's up 1.72% now, up 28 cents. Amazon 24.56 now. 24.57. 54.5603. Let's take a look at the option chain here, guys, on Amazon. Let's get this ready. She's climbing. She had upgrades today. You're going to see some larger institutions and some hedge funds getting into Amazon here on that big upgrade by Morgan Stanley. So let's take a look here at Amazon. I'm going back to our Orlando headquarters tonight, so everything will be back to the office come tomorrow. Amazon, June 5th, 24.60, 3,200. Let's see if we go a little bit further out. Let's see if we got the 2,500 strike, what that's going for. $2,500 is only going for about $1,575. I don't mind getting into something like that. June 5th, 2,500. And again, now first off, before I make this trade, let me say, first off, if you have a small account, this is a higher risk trade. It just got upgraded to $2,800 a share. Had a really nice upgrade. I think we got some momentum. If you take a look at Amazon 3-month daily chart here, you're going to be able to see. Let me zoom in a little bit here. We could do some drawing on Zoom with this. Let me see, where's Zoom? Here's Zoom. Let me draw on this for you guys, so you guys can see exactly what we're looking for. So first things first. $2,500 is short-term resistance. Okay, so we got 2,500 there, short-term resistance, and the nice thing about Amazon, right here, at least let's say we got some good support, and then we could use that 20 it's been coming down to here. So if you take a look, Amazon's been using that 20-day SMA as some support there when it retraces back from breakout momentum cycle and phase. So when it's coming back down to that 20, That's probably going to be my stop on an Amazon trade. So if I get into an Amazon trade, my stop is going to be 20 SMA stop. So we're going to have the 20 SMA as the stop for this Amazon trade. We're at 24.59 now. She's continuing to break higher. That strike now is at 17.48. That was just 15 bucks. So we just missed out on $200 and some a contract there. So I'm going to get that ready. So now you guys know what we're looking for. This is target short term. $2,500 target short term. Stop first candle below 20 SMA or 2,400. Or it could be the first, a bigger trade like Amazon. Usually it's the first candle below the previous candle's body. So we'll keep an eye on that. Carnival Cruise Line over here, if you guys see, it's still climbing up now 2.31%. It was only up 1.78% before. Now it's up 2.51. That's looking good. That's continuing to climb there. We got a nice Carnival Cruise Line trade. Amazon's pulling back a little bit there. Let's see Carnival. I got the order ready here. I'm just waiting. I want to get a good execution. I'll put the Qs here by Hilton. Hilton's up 1.34% today. Nicely, 5% on our Hilton trade, July 17th, 85 strike. Amazon coming down to that 10 right now, guys. So you guys know what we're looking for here with Amazon. Okay, if we hold that 10 and start to climb now, we're going to be looking to be entering into the swing trade for this week's expo on Amazon. Let's put Qs right here so you guys can see what the Qs are doing. Okay, I'm in Amazon, June 5th, 2020, 2,500 strike call, and I am in at $15.90 a contract. I'm already up 5% on it. I'm already up 150 bucks, and you guys saw me. I just literally placed that trade. Qs are trading between NTZ right now. This is a swings trade, so not really worried about the intraday moves on Amazon, as long as we have the general trend upward. Carnival Cruise Line, 2.26%, getting a climb off that 10. Nice climb for Carnival Cruise Line. There she goes. See what we got on our watch list today. We could take a look at Chipotle back over 2,000 or over $1,000 bucks, 1,025, 22 bucks today. Chevron, Facebook is coming back a bit. GE still on the climb, up 9% for the month so far. Let's see here, what else we got going on? JP Morgan up about 0.5%. Carnival Cruise Line is taking off, guys. Take a look at CCL. 16.23 a share, continuing to break up above 3% now for the day. And if we take a look at Carnival Cruise over here, 3-month daily, $18 is going to be our target on this next breakout. It really looks like we're getting a nice climb here. If you guys zoom in on this Carnival Cruise Line daily chart here, you can see we had the 1020 cross. We had a nice breakout after that 1020 cross. We came down. Let me zoom in a little bit more here. We could do some zoom. Amazon trades in the green, breaking above that 10 now. Let's see if that could hold. Hilton's continuing to break higher, up $300 today on Hilton, up $300 on Carnival Cruise Line, and we're up $60, $70 now on our Amazon trade. There goes Amazon climbing off that 10-day simple moving average. Continued breakout momentum, 10 support. See if we can hold that, continue that run. Once the NASDAQ starts to rally here, if the markets rally, I'm telling you, Amazon's going to hit that 2,500 really quick and probably up to 2,800 by, I'd say, June Expo. When Amazon gets in breakout momentum, she usually has really quick and swift moves upward here. Let's take a look. So down here when it climbed off that 20, for example, take a look right here. She was at $22.60 a share. And within 4 trading days, $22.60 up to, almost $2,400. That's a quick, big gain there on Amazon in just 1, 2, 3 trading days. Again, right here. So we're looking at this because this is the breakout momentum cycle here with our trade plan. So let me get up the annotation here, show you guys exactly what we're looking at. Right here, that is the breakout momentum. Okay, here is the breakout momentum. Okay, that's bomb. And then we have right here. What did I just do there? So there's breakout momentum. I don't know what that line there is. There's breakout momentum. And it's starting now again. And it just had the upgrade. We're already up 3% on the Amazon trade now. That's a decent trade. So I'll be just looking for a quick. I'm up $150 now. Hilton trades up $500 for the day. I'm already up $600 unrealized for the day today, and I'm mostly sitting in cash right now. Only about $18,000 invested right now. Most of it's just cash sitting down there waiting to get invested. Carnival Cruise Line up 4.62% now. Look at that Carnival Cruise Line here, bottom right, guys. This is up 4.63% now. Remember, it was just up 1.78% here just a few minutes ago when we were talking about it. There goes Q's running. Amazon's on the climb. Carnival Cruise Line's up 500. Now Carnival Cruise Line's up 500. Hilton trades now up $600 for the day. Amazon trades up 5%. Even that, remember that RCL call we got like a month or two ago? That one's ready to turn green.
Really?
You remember how much we were down on that trade?
Like 90?
90-some percent. Now we're down 18%.
Really?
ISNS shares.
Whoa.
Ago, resume trade following a circuit breaker.
Someone's taking over for Charlie. Guys, our Amazon trade now up 7%. I'm now up $220 on Amazon. I'm up $600 now on Carnival Cruise Line, and I'm up another $600 on Hilton, up $100 on Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, and now I'm up $220 on Amazon. Amazon's running here. I'm up $250 now on Amazon. $300 gain on Amazon, up 10%.
Let's go.
And remember, this is a swing trade. This isn't a day trade. If I make a quick 30% though on it, that'll be about $1,000 gain, maybe $1,100, $1,200 gain. Then I would jump in. Guys, take a look what's happening here with NASDAQ. Take a look at the Qs here. Take a look at those Qs. This is a today 1 minute chart on Qs. We're in breakout momentum. This is bomb. Breakout momentum happening here with Qs. So we're going to continue to see our tech run. I'm up $2,000 now for the day on this big run. I'm having a big day right now. I'm up $300 now on Amazon. 600 on. I'm up 700 now on Carnival Cruise Line. I'm up 700 on Hilton. I'm up 200 on Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. We're getting a big breakout. Let me clear this. Move these to the 1 minute today chart. Big breakout here. Accounts are running big time. Big run. Hilton trade is up $800 now for the day. Wow, Amazon's running. Who's this guy taking over for Charlie?
Trade at 9:50 a.m. Eastern Time. It's ticker Oscar Charlie Golf November.
I'll take the weekend off.
Accugen earlier announced news following a halt that the company will discontinue its phase 3 trial of.
Wow, I'm up 800 now on Hilton for the day.
Accugen shares once again.
800 Hilton, 700 Carnival Cruise Line, and 220 on Amazon. Ooh, Visa's on the climb now. Here we go, Visa. Visa's my biggest trade. Actually, no, we locked. No, it is my. We locked in profit on that other Visa trade though, which took about 4,000 off the table. Let's see, Visa. Visa, I got, let's see, 3, 4. I got about 6,000 in Visa. I got 6,000 in Carnival Cruise. 3,300 Amazon. 5,000 Hilton. $1,000 RCL. Wow, look at this account run. Look at Visa go, 195.27, starting a big run here on Visa. Visa's finally green now for the day. Markets are green. Dow's only down 31, Nasdaq's up 15, S&P's only down 40 cents. Markets are looking for a nice breakout here and a big run for the day to start the week off. As the economy opens and money is pouring in. Especially down here, guys, in Fort Lauderdale. Wow. I came down here for a night. My wife's having surgery in Brazil. So I said, you know what, I might as well enjoy the beaches opening after all that quarantine. Beaches are packed again. Let's see now. Up 2,600 for the day. Wow. There goes Amazon again. Q's bouncing off that 10. There goes Visa breaking above that 50 SMA. She just broke resistance for the day. Let's see Visa continue that run there. Carnival Cruise Line up 5%. Let's put Amazon up here. AMZN. Wow, I'm up $500 now on Amazon. I'm up 20% on the Amazon trade. Amazon just had a big breakout. Where the hell is Amazon at here? Wow, look at Visa go. I'm up $3,000 now for the day. What a way to start the week. And what did the past 2 days, what did I tell you I spent? They said I spent around $3,000. It's like, wow, you know. I'm up 800 now on Amazon. I'm up 25% on Amazon. Visa rocketing higher. I'm up $4,000 now for the day. Hilton, I'm up 900. Carnival Cruise Line, I'm up 700. Amazon, 650. Visa's continuing to break higher here. I'm up $200 on our Visa trades. Amazon's going to continue a big breakout too. Amazon might get to $2,500 today. I'm going to say that right now. If the markets continue to climb and that protest stuff here is nothing to worry about, Amazon's going to get $2,500. If not today, I'd say tomorrow. We're up $800 now in our Amazon trade. Let's see, trade room on breaking chart alerts. What are they saying?
coming up in about 10 minutes at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, getting a reading on construction spending for the month of April. Also, we'll get a manufacturing data point out of ISM. That's for the month of May.
I love starting off Mondays making money. Nothing worse than having a shitty Monday and starting off in the red.
Economists currently expecting construction spending for April to be down 6%. And for that,
Yo, why don't we
ISM
see
data
about
point
going
at
scuba
ISM
diving today?
manufacturing PMI
So the other day we rented a charter.
43.
That was about $1,200. Next day we rented a boat. That was really nice. Just got a cooler, packed some drinks, listened to some music at the sandbar. What's that dreamboat? Pixar's CEO, right?
Yep.
We're parked in front of Pixar's CEO. I got the pictures on my Facebook. We're parked there at the sandbar. You see his yacht there called Dreamboat. Man, just hanging out, drinking, having a good time. Spent about $3,000, and now you see we're back to it, making money again. It's just an unbelievable lifestyle. Hilton, what is Hilton doing? HLT.
Canon USA
Keep me updated if there's anything going on with those protesters, all right? I don't want them screwing up my market.
Software to capture crowd sizes in real time. The sticker CAJ.
There goes Amazon off that 10 SMA again. Hilton as well. Let's see Hilton climb off that 10, which she is. There goes Hilton again. Everything's in breakout momentum. Looking great. Let's put everything into it today. 1 minute. Looking great. We're in breakout momentum on everything here, guys. Everything's in bomb cycle. Bomb cycle, bomb phases. Hilton, another big run coming. Nice candle. Wow, look at Hilton. 81.50.
Shares, ticker OCGN. Shares resume trade here, down 31% last trade.
What a climb in the
stock
account
Occupant
today.
at 21 cents. Oscar Charlie Golf November. Rewalk, ticker RWLK.
18.
Shares pop here, about 15%. Or so.
I just sold Amazon.
Triggers
18.10.
word of FDA 510K approval related to one of the company's devices. It's ticker Romeo.
I just locked in a quick.
Kilo up 23%.
Let's see here. Alrighty, so that Amazon trade we just made on air this morning, we just locked in a $437.85 profit on that Amazon trade. Beautiful way to start the week there. $437.85. We did that all live, watching our trade plan. Could have held on to it a little bit longer there. She's at 18.50 now. We sold it at what, 18? What did I say?
1810.
18.10?
Mm-hmm.
She's at 18.50 now. So missed out on an extra $100. 18.75 now. She's continued to break out. But you know what? Absolutely okay with that. First 20 minutes of the day, locked in $500. How could you say no to that? You know, you get a couple more trades like that, that fuels your lifestyle for the week.
Mm-hmm.
Or at least for the day. Yo, Fort Lauderdale, I'm liking this down here.
You loving it?
I like it. I gotta say, loving it.
Isn't it? How can you get away from here?
Man, those penthouses though, right on the ocean, they're about $10,000 a month.
Oh, they're absolutely gorgeous.
It's like, do I want to do? To me, it's like, yeah, of course we could afford that, but it's like, to me, $120,000 a year, that's just throwing away money.
Yeah,
You know.
Just a note on that rewalk
Buying
alert.
Airbnb.
I just missed out an
Active
extra
access
$200 now
to
selling at Amazon early. She's still climbing off that 20.
notification is dated
Look
as
at Carnival Cruise Line, now up 5.4%. Carnival Cruise Line breaking higher here, highs of the day on CCL. Hilton's getting climb off that 20 SMA. Amazon's now trading at $19.20 a contract. We sold it at 18.10. What are we getting on that Amazon?
$15.90.
$15.90. Let me see what I was executed at. Order status out on Amazon 18.1. We were in at 15.9.
14%.
14%. 18.1. Divide that by 15.9. 14% gain. Just got the. Now see, here's the thing. The text alert just came out. Closed Amazon calls. You know, so if they're just getting that now, they're able to sell it at 20. We sold it at 18.10. It's at 20 now.
Downgrading the government of India's
So they had a hell of a better deal there.
currency long-term issue rating.
Look at Carnival Cruise Line now up almost 6%. Hilton continuing to break higher there. Looking good.
INDA.
I want to get into another Amazon trade. There's a lot more money there to be made on Amazon.
Ticking lower here now at a session low 27.88 in ETF INDA.
Facebook back up to 230. She's up 2% for the day. I'm telling you, we're going to see a nice run this week. I'm telling you. Facebook's going to get to 240 this week. 240, no doubt. Let's see 3-month daily Facebook. She's climbing off that 10 right now, guys. This is trade plan. Come on, guys. You guys know this. Those of you that take our classes, what do I tell you? You get a confirmed green candle tomorrow. That's confirmed breakout momentum, and we're looking to get back up to that resistance around 242. So if we're at 231 tomorrow and we get that confirmed green candle, you could get next week's expo, even this week's expo, and be looking at 240 to 250 as your target. Amazon or Facebook is looking really good here for an entry, guys. If you're not in anything, I'm in a few trades here. I'm watching.
Canopy Growth ticker CGC shares ticking.
Thinking about doing another swing trade here on Facebook.
That on CNBC, Jim Cramer making some cautious comments on the stock. It's ticker Charlie Golf Charlie.
I think I'm gonna get into Facebook here.
Senzo said he just made 44% on Facebook. Nice. Vincenzo.
Nice. What was it? A day trade?
I think so.
Bro, I gotta get to the office and get these contacts out of my. I feel like one eye is looking right, one eye is looking left.
I'm gonna want one. Market that.
These are supposed to be disposable. I always wear them, but pretty long though. Facebook. Let's see. Today, 1 minute on Facebook. She's climbing off that 10 again right now.
ISM manufacturing PMI for the month of May.
This guy sounds like he's got
better than
a.
expected, a reading of 43.1. Economists had been looking for a reading of about. That was worse than expected. The estimate was for 44, and again, that reading was 43.1 for ISM manufacturing.
ISN worse than expected. Big drop there. Just pulling up the Facebook chart, but if we're going to start BDM here, there's no point getting in a day trade.
Construction spending
Or
for the month of April down 2.9%. Economists had been looking for a 6% decline there,
Not
so
too
better
bad.
than expected reading for construction spending for the month of April.
Better than expected construction for April. Wow. Facebook climbing off that 10 still. Wow, Visa, holy smokes. Look at Visa go. Visa's going to have a nice breakout today. She's at the highs of the day right now. 195.69 on Visa. I'm looking for $200 this week on Visa.
Stocks relatively unaffected following those two data points at 10 a.m.
Yeah, not much from
S&P 500 futures about flat, down about 0.1% for the session. S&P 500 futures last trade at 30.39.5.
Chipotle still on the run.
Stocks ticking slightly lower here. Gold also moving lower. Gold down about 0.6% for the session last trade. In gold, 17.42 per ounce.
Amazon's still breaking higher. Amazon's gonna go to 2,500. I gotta get into another Amazon trade. I think I'm gonna do an in the money vertical spread for this week's expo on Amazon. Do something ATM.
Cheaper.
I'm gonna it's cheaper for a smaller account, yeah. If you have unlimited funds, it's still For example, I'd put like $5,000 into this trade, regardless if it was a call or a spread. Do I want to go with the I'd rather go with the regular calls. Or should I get to June 19th? Let it. She's breaking. She's going to 2,500. There's no question in my mind about that. Let's see what the C-Trade Pro is so slow today. Come on. Wake up. Look at Amazon going 24.72 now. 24.75. Ah, shit. Let's see. 24.85. 24.90. What's that going for? I'm just going to pick up the regular calls on it. She's really breaking out. I'll do the same as before at 2,500. What's she going for now? All right, that just completed Amazon June 5th. 2,500 strike. We are in at 21.75 a contract. 21.75 a contract. We are. What did we sell it at? 18.10. What were we in at it before?
15.90.
That would have been a 37% gain if we held the first one, but it's okay. I like locking in those profits. There goes Amazon again. Already up 3% now on that trade. Another quick $100 on that new Amazon trade. Oh, 150.
Inseego ticker INSG shares up about 1% for the session. A Cowen analyst earlier today called the stock a best idea in a coronavirus world, following takeaways from the Cowen Tech Media and Technology Conference. Once again, shares of Inseego up about 1.3% for the session. INSG.
Skyjack, you made 33% on Amazon? I like that, Josh, the Visa spread. Skyjack said, yes, sir. He just locked in 33% on Amazon. Nice job, guys. Love it. NVAX. We'll look at NVAX. We'll look at QCOM. Umar, did you get in that first Amazon trade? Elias says McDonald's is on the run. Elias is in McDonald's. I remember seeing that McDonald's train. He loves his McDonald's. His McDonald's and Marlboros. McDonald's and Marlboros. That's what you gotta call Elias. I thought he was gonna die when we were doing that class. He's like lighting. I don't know if it's. He must have a stressful job. He lights up a cigarette after cigarette. Makes me cough. Oompa Woompa said made 700 off Amazon trade. Thanks, Dave. I will take the day off now. See you all tomorrow.
Yeah,
who is
look at that.
who is Loompa?
I don't know.
That's a new name there, Oompa Loompa.
Oompa, Oompa.
Oompity doo. I don't know the rest of it. Oh, it's Sajir.
Oh, Sajir.
Not sure why it comes up Oompa Loompa.
Mosaic.
I don't even know how to change my
Shares
name
up
in the
3.5%
trade room.
for
It's
session.
my
Have been
freaking
steadily
business.
climbing all day over just
Yeah.
a few minutes seen.
Well,
and
admin, I
usual
mean, you know,
option momentum
I'm the
grow.
freaking
The
gatekeeper.
June monthly $10 puts at the bid showing volume 775 contracts versus open interest about 5,000 contracts. Shares of Mosaic up about 3.5% for the session, 12.54 last trade in Mosaic.
You.
I like it. I see what you did there.
Yo, look at Carnival Cruise Line up 6%. My Carnival Cruise Line trade's almost up $1,000 today. Hilton's taking off again. Just gotta get Amazon and Visa with it again. Amazon's gonna be fine. Coming down to that 20. You guys know she retraces down to that 20 as you see down here, so that's what we're watching for now. But again, this is a day chart, today chart. There's that 20 SMA, 20 SMA. And now again she's coming down to that 20. Let's see if we continue to break out. Now we will break out if we watch Qs. If Qs hold that 10 right there, and she climbs back up to resistance on Qs, then we're gonna climb. If Qs break lower, all these other ones are gonna drop as well. Diamond having a nice breakout there. Here we go. Here comes the markets again. Back up 1,500 plus the money we already locked in. Carnival Cruise Line 6%, over 6%. Look at that big candle there on Qs. That's looking nice. We'll see that again, and then we'll be looking for 24.75 resistance. And then if we could break above that, get a candle, a green candle above, then we're going to be looking at 2,500, baby. Oompa, oompa, oompity doo. I got a trade that's waiting on you. Google up 0.5%. Macy's is up 2.36% today. Not bad. She going back on the big boy exchange? I feel like when they say you're being delisted from NASDAQ, they come back, they're like, Macy's, are you going to play right this time?
Yeah,
We'll
right.
put you back in, but you got to behave. Stay above that $5 a share.
Yeah. That's how it is.
That's what they do, you know. Wall Street just cares about their shareholders, so Macy's, come on, you got to start making money. Wall Street's waiting on you, or you're getting delisted. And then they get their shit together, get back above $5 a share. And that's what the exchange does. Come back over. All right, we'll put you back on. Facebook 229ish. Waiting for that next move there. Tesla's up 5%, $42, 877. Oompa, oompa, oompity-doo. Yo, it's got to be hot out there today. The sun's coming right through this
Oh, it's hot.
thing in the back already.
Oh, yeah. That's already produced. 87.
87 already?
Yeah.
What's the high today, does it say?
Let's see.
Carnival Cruise Line's taking off that 10. There goes Amazon again. 24.70. Visa's just in NTZ.
85 is right now, but 87 is the high of the day. Right now it feels like 94.
94. You, you bitty do. Visas in NTZ and Amazons. Who is Casey? Yeah? Oh, nice.
Joined us.
Nice. She doing some trading?
Paper trading.
Yeah, nice. Todd, what's going on? What's going on there, Todd? He's always in his car. Making some trades on the go. I love it. Love it. I think his video stalled there. How do I get a picture pulled up on no one has their picture on. Avilio, what's going on? Let's see. Q's still trying to climb here. Amazon NTZ holding above that 50. I don't think the markets are going to shit the bed here. Dow's up about 40 points. Nasdaq's up 33. S&P's up about 4. I mean, it looks it here with Amazon crossover. There's that 1020 cross on Amazon coming up right here. No confirmation yet, but you already had the MACD cross way back here. Big divergence there. Ooh, Todd's out paving some roads. He's got everyone back to work. Should help out with oil, he's saying. Todd, you in some oil trades? Oh, there goes Amazon. Nice breakout on Amazon. 24.72. Starting that breakout. There goes Q's. Breaking above consolidation box on Q's. We got to see Visa climb above that 10. We're going to start that climb. There goes Amazon taking off. Carnival Cruise Line's holding that 10. And we got Diamond still in the bottom cycle. RCL is almost up 300 bucks today. That RCL trade's now only down 9%. Before it was down 19. Not only RCL might turn green today overall. That'd be amazing after that was down 90 some percent. Let's see what RCL's at.
Just a heads up on a ticker changeover today. So American Outdoor Brands, which used to be ticker AOBC, as of today changed its name back to Smith & Wesson and changed the ticker to SWBI. That's Sandy Whiskey Bravo India. Shares of SWBI last trading at 1310.
RCL looks like it's ready for a major breakout, doesn't it, guys? I mean, we could easily see this back up to 70 bucks a share. And you remember, this is just 30 bucks, 140 bucks. So 70 bucks a share, that's still cut in half from where the highs were. I think that could have a nice run there. We got to keep our eye on that. Other than that, pretty flat right now. Count's still at the same. We're up now about 1,100 unrealized plus our realized profits for the day. Big gainers today: Carnival Cruise Line, Hilton, RCL. Visa's pretty flat. The new Amazon trade's down about 400, down 10% right now. That's the June 5th Expo. Amazon still looks fine. Not one bit worried about that one. That just had a major upgrade today. And as you can see, Amazon shares are up over 1.17% today. So they're leading the market for sure. The market's just having a little shift here. Q's coming back down to that 50. Nice start to a Monday though, gotta say. What's 3M doing today? That 3M trade just started going green. Man, I want to go do that freaking scuba diving today. We gotta search for where we do that crap at.
There's some right outside the window.
I know, yeah. I woke up this morning, looked out my window, and there's snorkelers there. I'm like, you know what? That sounds like a hell of a good idea. If I had a good day today, which I am. I'd like to do one more good day trade, though, and lock in a couple of grand. 3M is rocketing higher there. Did you see 3M?
No.
3M's up almost $3 from the lows this morning.
Let's go 3M.
Almost at 158.
Zoom is at high of the day, 198.
Zoom.
Good play. Report earnings.
Yeah. Earnings tomorrow. Man, we should get into a Zoom trade. I'm telling you.
3M. Right,
3M looks like a good day trade. 3M is a hell of a day trade. Let's look at the 3-month daily on 3M. See, 3M's finally starting to break out now. I think 3M's going to get to about 165-ish. She could do that this week. And, I mean, if she did that this week...
Yeah, she's just... There's nothing stopping 3M.
That 3M trade, I'm down $2,000 on right now. We have the 165 strike for June 19th Expo. Now, you saw with that RCL trade, we were down 90-some% on that trade. We had some time, just like the 3M trade. 3M, we were down on that for a while. We got 3M way back in April. And that just didn't do anything for a while. Now she's starting to climb. For sure. Hilton's on the climb again. Where's the Hilton? Hilton's got some major resistance. Excuse me, today right around 81.67, 81.65-ish. I want to see it break that. I want to see Amazon start to climb here as well. Visa's got a nice candle there. See if that could hold on.
It's so light and so small.
Kratos says banks are running. Good morning, Shannon. Welcome with us. Nice to have you with us.
The audiologist was so incredible. I love it.
So, there goes Visa starting to break out again. Nice run on Visa here. Let's see that start to run. We'll be looking at resistance. Let's say right around 190, 195. Let's see. $195.90-ish. Here we go. We got another run on RCL and Hilton's on the climb. Up now $1,200 unrealized and $437.85 realized for the day. And we're less than an hour into the day. Look at Hilton. Hilton's breaking out here. We got a break above resistance on Hilton. Nice breakout above resistance on Hilton. And we're looking at that climb now for $82 for the day. As we can see, markets are still looking good. SPY's got a nice trend higher since that 1020 cross. And Diamond ETF, there's that 1020 cross. Still nice breakout momentum. 253.50 up to 241.91 now. Looking for Dow to break that 25.5 again, 25,500. Break above that, close for that for the day. Hilton back above 81.70 a share now. Hilton, July 17th, 85 strike calls, now up $1,000 for the day. 30% on the day on the Hilton trade. RCL's up 25%. And the Carnival Cruise Line's up 20% for the day. Looking good. Markets are still in breakout momentum. Now you see how we're sitting here throughout the day. You know, 1 second we're up around 2,000, next we're up 1,000. You know, those kind of moves are normal, you know. We're in breakout momentum. That's why we say we're not worried about what we're doing on a today 1 minute chart. The today 1 minute chart for our swing trades could help us see the trend of the market here. But our long trades here, we're just holding on to those, and we're continuing to see those gains on those.
Just over 1 million.
Carnival Cruise Line, October 16, 20 strike calls looking great. I want to add to that really soon here. I was thinking about either adding to Carnival Cruise Line or picking up more of the Royal Caribbean. I think RCL had a few upgrades actually as well, and that's looking great. Now up $1,100 on the Hilton trade, up 33% on Hilton now for the day. This girl named Shannon Jurassic said, "Wow, what a life we have." That's what options do for you there, Shannon. Welcome aboard. Dwayne Watkins says Moderna looks to be starting a run. Let's take a look at Moderna mRNA. Shannon's new with us there. You could give her the meeting to Zoom. RCL still on the run. Moderna, mRNA. Let's see. I wonder what Avilio's trading there. What are you trading, Avilio? Anything?
U.S. Supreme Court has upheld the Puerto Rico Control Board.
Oh, he's on the phone.
The unanimous decision will allow for restructuring of $125 billion in debt to continue. These headlines, according to Dow Jones just now.
Hilton's getting such a nice climb off that 10. I think that's going to have a big week this week. I think I'm going to look at a Hilton for this week's Expo, guys. I want to take advantage of this breakout we're having. I'm going to take a look first, see what the implied move is, and see how expensive they are with the extrinsic value here. Let's see, HLT. I don't even know if this one has any weeklies, does it? Nope. June 19th. Now see the June 19th 8250s. Even the 80 strikes dirt cheap there. Dirt cheap. Amazon finally on the climb. I was down $900 on that Amazon trade. Now I'm only down 400 for this week's expo. Let's take a look at Amazon. 2472 continuing to break out. 2500 to 2525 is going to be our target this week. But if she really does climb, she could get up to 26. I think Amazon, this is my target on Amazon. I think Amazon's going to get to 2,700 by the June 19th expo.
2 weeks.
Yeah, I really do. So we got to keep Amazon on our radar. If Amazon breaks 2,500, we got to get a little bit more aggressive with that one. I want to see Visa start to climb here. Moderna. I'm kind of over the whole vaccine things already, right? It's like now, okay, you know, there's so much competition. It's like, all right, whoever comes out with that vaccine first, that's the one I'm going to start putting some money behind. But right now, everyone's throwing money at all these biopharmas. It's like,
and Eli Lilly just got into the mix too.
yeah. And what's Lilly doing today? LLY. They had a big announcement. Yeah, and the stock's down 0.5%.
Yeah. You're right.
That's what I mean. Thank you. There's too many people in the race there for that. You know, it's like, okay, this one's got a coronavirus vaccine in the works. This one, that one. It's like, you know, just like Gilead, you said they had bad
phase 3 clinical trials.
bad phase 3 clinical trials on remdesivir. Remdesivir. Yo, here we go. Here's the next run coming. Here is the next run coming. I like these candles I'm seeing across the board here on the Today 1 Minutes.
Chemtrax ticker CETX shares up 190% for the session, pulling back from the $3 level here. The company earlier,
1,300. I hate just watching that count. It's like, yeah, it's nice to be up 1,300 unrealized and the 437.85 realized, but it's like, I just hate sitting here watching it be flat, you know, and just bounce a few $100 here and there.
Now up 194%.
Carnival Cruise Line's running though.
We normally don't trade on Mondays, but we see good opportunities.
When markets in breakout moment, see, this is what I mean about patience. You know me, you know that there's a lot of times we don't trade on Mondays, but when we see the market in breakout momentum, you got to take advantage of that. You know, as a good trader, you got to take advantage of those times. So, you know, that's why I jumped into those trades today. I think we're going to continue to run this week. The only thing I think could really screw up the market, protesters or anything with China.
Yep.
Coronavirus, you know, what did you tell me this morning? There was how many deaths?
4.
4 deaths in Florida for the whole day?
Like 20.
Yeah, this thing's, I think people are being much more cautious too, you know, it's like, is Casey with us?
Online?
She with us on Zoom? Oh, there goes Visa breaking higher again. Visa's back in the green.
Yes, she is.
She is? Casey, I gotta say, that was an amazing egg sandwich this morning. Thank you very much for that. That was tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, you always come in the morning with me with my treats, my Starbucks, my sandwiches. I gotta say.
She's awesome.
Yeah. Visa still looking good there. Amazon 24.73 starting that run again. So yesterday when we came in from fishing, right? There were the Fort Lauderdale police all by this park, like on the, what do you call it, the intercoastal that we come in, the canals there. There was about 7 police boats, and then on the road there was like 20 cop cars, and you see it, the people are throwing bricks at the police. It was, huh? Yesterday, yesterday. You saw it on the news. We were watching that. It was crazy.
Really?
Yeah. It was nuts. It's like, wow. Then they start throwing the tear gas and stuff out there. The news people, their eyes are tearing up.
So
it's like, holy.
So 2 officers in Atlanta, they put the curfew last night around the nation, even down here.
Really?
From 9 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Wow.
For the protesters. 2 officers pulled over a couple that were on their way home. It was like 9:13. It was 9:13, 13 minutes after the curfew.
Yeah.
And they pulled them over. There's a video of them yanking them, 2 officers yanking them out and tasing the.
Just because they were out past curfew? Did they do anything wrong?
They tased.
No?
There was on video. They were.
If they do something wrong, they deserve to be
check it out.
tased.
It was on video, and then.
If they didn't do anything wrong, they got to get rid of these types of officers.
They got fired. Both of them.
Wow.
And the other officers that were with them got put on desk duty.
Wow. It's getting out of hand.
It is crazy. Casey said you're welcome, Dave.
Up $1,100 on Hilton trade today already, and up another 1,000 on Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival Cruise Line's breaking above 6% now, 6.35% gain on the day for Carnival Cruise Line. Amazon's getting a nice pop there off that 10. There goes Amazon. Visa's breaking down a little bit. Amazon's taking off 24.74, 11 now on Amazon. Carnival Cruise Line 16.71. Now up 1,400 unrealized with a realized gain of 437.85 on the day. We just keep climbing. Look at Amazon taking off. Now only down $200 on Amazon. It was down 900 on that before. Second Amazon trade's coming around the corner here, looking to turn green. I'm not locking in profits on that one though until a couple of days. I want that. Only down $100 now on Amazon. Amazon's climbing quickly. There she goes. I think the option chain is a little bit quicker than the actual chart, because when I look at the option chain, I'm like, wow, look at that big move. And then I look over at the chart, and then about 5 seconds later, it has that big move. So I think the option chains are a little bit quicker here than the actual charts themselves. There goes Carnival Cruise Line up 6.61%, 1.04 cents for the day. 16.78 a share, continuing that climb. Diamond still in breakout momentum, holding that 20 SMA as support. Carnival Cruise Line trade is now up $1,100 for the day. Man, it's beautiful. I'm up $2,000 now again, unrealized, and then realized 437.85. Carnival Cruise Line and Hilton are rocketing higher there. Royal Caribbean Cruise. Now we just got Amazon too. Amazon's only down $90 now, down $70. Amazon's really starting to take off there. Look at that climb on Amazon. 24.77.50 she's reaching for. Come on, Amazon. David Galloway says, Dave and E work hard for us. Give up some likes, show some love. Yes. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, David. I appreciate that. Would love to see those likes. Guys, please click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Would greatly appreciate that. And that's what pushes me to be coming on YouTube, because we're also live on Zoom right now trading with our Pro Trader members. Trader and Pro Trader members on Zoom. Up $2,000 now unrealized for the day. Big climbs here in the market. Yeah, we really got to get a trip together for our members here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when we're catching those fish, all I keep thinking about is could you imagine if our members are on that trip catching a 9-foot shark
the whole time.
or a 100-pound tuna with us?
The whole time.
You know, and we go out fishing all the time. So if we have a group down here for the week, well, I'll just buy a boat for the week.
Easy.
You know, a charter for the week. Say, hey, I want you guys to take us out for the week.
Yeah, we
Get a good deal.
do that 8-hour one.
Fort Lauderdale, what's nice about, people don't realize, but saltwater fishing, this is the best you could get. The Gulf Stream is 1 mile off the shore. That's why we're catching all these. Like you never went saltwater fishing.
Never.
This is not normal. You go up north, like I'm from Pennsylvania, so we always went to Belmar, New Jersey fishing. And when we went to Belmar, you don't get stuff like this. You get bluefish, the oily fish that are nasty. You'll get fluke, flounder, yeah. It's all
Off the coast, like what we're doing.
off, yeah, like this, yeah. But we take the party boats out.
Okay.
If you take charters out, they charge $1,500 because they got to go 30 miles offshore to the reefs. Yeah, that's just for the right. And then for the offshore, like when we go on the tuna trips up in Belmar, we go on the canyon trips. That's about $750 a person. But they have bunk beds under the boat there.
Wow, out.
Oh, you're traveling a day to get out to the spot. Sometimes only about 6 hours depending on where you're going. But
Really?
if you take one of the, 4-day trips out, you're traveling much further out. If you
Really?
take like the 2-day tuna trip out to the canyons, it's only about a 6-hour drive out there.
Yeah, I'm not ready for that. I like to see the show.
Yo, you get less sick than I do. When I get off that boat, my head's still bobbing up and down. I'm like, holy.
I still can't believe the captain of that ship, when I asked him how were the seas last week, he said intensely frightening.
Intensely and that was your first trip out there. Yo, that did it for me that day. I'm like, wow. I'm watching you just sit there, be jolly on your first boat ride. I'm like,
And I'm looking at you.
our Hilton trade's up freaking $1,300. Unbelievable. Hilton is taking off there. Carnival Cruise Line too, $1,200 on CCL. Up 28% on CCL. Dave Galloway, he said he closed the second trade on Amazon already at 21.
It's like, nice.
Or the first one he closed
No,
at
first
21.
one.
He said the first one?
Yeah.
Wow. What
He's in-
percent?
He's in with us. the
He's
second
in with
two.
this, the
Yeah.
second one? What percent gain did he have on the first one?
I think he got 2K, I believe. I don't know the percentage.
He said he needs a pop on Visa. Yeah, I'm waiting on Visa. You guys see on Zoom. You guys see me looking this way. That's because the other monitor's here. If I look at the Lenovo, you guys see me looking at you now. I'm looking at the charts. So when I'm looking at the charts, I'm looking at you guys. When I'm looking at the portfolio climbing, I'm looking this way. And I love looking this way, seeing the portfolio climbing. Just got to get Amazon and Visa to participate a little bit here. Wow, Carnival Cruise Line now up 7% for the day.
CC Bills.
1684 share. Spy's getting another nice pop here. Let's see Amazon climb off that 20 SMA. There goes Diamond ETF. Dow's now up about 100 points. Dow's up 90 points for the day here. Nasdaq's up 44. Still another big climb on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is leading the market here. That Carnival
Nice.
cruise. What's that?
Mike Canfield hit 3 on Amazon today, up 32% overall, which is fantastic.
Wow, nice.
Nice
He
play.
hit 3,000?
I hit 3 on, is it 3,000?
What did he
Trades.
say?
Maybe it does.
Oh, hey Mike, what's going on?
Hey, good man. I hit three on Amazon, 3 trades.
3 trades on
Oh,
Amazon? Nice. How much are you up on that?
It was almost 1,000.
$1,000. Nice
Sweet.
way to start the
3
Monday.
for 3.
Nice. Awesome. Are you in Carnival Cruise Line at all? What's that?
Yeah, I still have the old one.
Yeah, that's what I have. What were you saying before I said that?
I said now I can contribute to the fishing trip. I'll buy the bait.
You gotta come on. Aren't you down here?
Yeah, I'm like an hour north of you.
Why didn't you come out the other day?
I had baseball all weekend.
Oh,
How'd they do
baseball.
this weekend? Was it a tournament?
Was it a tournament?
Yeah.
Yeah?
we
How'd
had
you guys do?
0.
Oh, nice.
We
Yep.
didn't do great, but it's good to be back.
Are you playing softball or hardball?
No, baseball.
My kids.
No.
Baseball.
Oh, your kids. Oh, nice. Is your son back yet?
Not yet.
No? Wow. Yeah, we got to get him down here. How old's your son, Mike?
11 and 10. I have 2 boys.
Oh, nice. That's
fun
Eli's
baseball right
age.
there.
Yeah. Got to get together.
That's fun.
Ephraim, we're doing a tournament in the Keys in July.
They're doing
Tell your team to look it up.
a tournament in the Keys in July, he said.
Really?
You got to go down with him.
Oh, we got to do
Yeah.
that, man.
Yeah, I'll go down there. Great fishing down
That's
there.
U-Trip SA, right?
U-Trip USA?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to look into that.
Yep.
Get our 8 U boys there.
8 you boys there. That'd be cool. I'd go down with you on that.
Yeah. We're sponsoring it, dude.
And what, they're playing baseball in the Keys?
Yeah.
Really? That's cool. That's cool. I was invited down there this week on a fishing trip, but I'm all fished out right now. Up 84% on TQs today. Might close later today. Nice. David Galloway's doing great. And he said he's playing conservative. That's awesome. Carnival Cruise Line still holding that 10. If you guys take a look at the 3-month daily on CCL and RCL, let me pull them up side by side here. I mean, you guys, I think we all pretty much agree that the pandemic's behind us now, right? You guys agree? I don't think we're going to have a big breakout and be back to where we were in March again, right? So, with that said, I think we're going to continue to see this climb here, especially with the cruise lines. I mean, I certainly wouldn't mind going on a cruise line now. I don't know if I'm just crazy or if I'm just like over this. But RCL 3-month daily. I mean, these are looking good. These are prime breakout momentum, guys, right off the lows. You guys look at these two charts right here to the right, RCL and CCL. We're getting a nice breakout here. We finally got that 1020 cross. We already had that MACD cross end of March, which signaled the lows there. So we already had that MACD cross. We're already above the 1020-50 SMA for the first time since what? Since January. We haven't traded above the 50 SMA since January on RCL and CCL. Royal Caribbean Cruises and Carnival Cruises. So I want to see that nice breakout here on RCL. I think we're going to have it. CCL, RCL, obviously CCL. Many more people are going to be able to get into that due to the lower price. You know, you get these millennials with, you know, $5,000 accounts. They'll pick CCL over RCL usually. And CCL's not bad there. The only thing is RCL had quite a bit of upgrades. I could easily see RCL getting up to about 75. I could see CCL getting up to about 25 to 30 bucks. So if you were getting into Carnival Cruise Line, my target's going to be 30 to 35, or 25 to 30 on CCL within the next 2 months. And RCL here, I'd say about 75. You know, she could get up to 100, but that's stretching it. Oh, that Amazon. I just looked over here. Amazon back down 800 again. CCL is still climbing though, up $1,200 now in CCL. 1,300 Hilton. Nice climb off that 10 SMA on Hilton on a 3-month daily. So what we're looking for now off that successful bounce off that 10 SMA is the next resistance. If you guys are looking at this Hilton chart here, right? Let's analyze this up. All right, annotation here. So we have 85. 85 is going to be our target resistance number 1, right? Target resistance in this next breakout momentum cycle. So as you can see here, we got a successful bounce off that 10 SMA. Bounce off support. Okay, here's the MACD cross. So we got one check. We got the 10 SMA bouncing off support there. That's the second check. And then we also have the candles trading above the 10, 20, and 50 simple moving averages, SMAs. So we got 3 checks here, right? We got 3 checks on Hilton. We got that successful bounce off that 10. So now where's our target going to be this week on Hilton? So if you're doing a short-term swing trade on Hilton here, you're looking at $85, right? So now if we have that $85 target, let's take a look at this, and let me show you guys what you could do here. We could bring up the option chain on Hilton and say, okay, if we wanted to get in this trade, what are we going to be taking as far as profit goes once we get up to that 85? And we could do that by using the Greeks here. We're going to look at the delta, theta, and we're going to calculate what this trade's going to make us if we get up to our target resistance area of $85 a share. So let's take a look here, HLT. And the nice thing about this, it's June 19th Expo. Plenty of time to get up to that $85. And let's take a look. The 80 strike is only going for about $4.70, right? So now let's put our Greeks on here. Go up to the columns. We're going to put our delta and our theta. Delta. Theta.
Shares of a couple security system stocks moving
Alrighty.
today. ADT, Alpha Delta Tango shares up 9.5%.
Yo, did you take my ink
9.5%.
pen?
Also Brinks ticker BCO shares up 4%
You got one?
for the
Thank
section.
you.
That's ticker
Awesome.
Bravo Charlie Oscar.
Alrighty, guys. So what we're going to do here, is that an extra one or do you need that?
No, I got an extra.
Oh, okay, good. Alrighty, so I'm going to use this over here on the Visa chart so I could do some writing. Okay, so if we picked up the Hilton 80 strike call for the June 19, 2020 on Hilton, it's going for about $4.70 a contract, $4.65. So 4.65, that's the current price for the 80 strike. I'm using this on the Visa chart here, but this is going, you know, we're talking about Hilton here. So make sure you guys know that. Not talking about Visa. Oh, wow, that looks horrible. All right. So 465, Delta is 0.595. So 0.595 Delta, right? Alrighty, so now, if our delta is 0.595, right, what we're going to do now, our target's 85, right? She's at 81.69 now, right? So what we're going to do is do 85 minus 81.67. That's $3.33. So to our target, 3.33. A little bit more now, but that's okay. You get the picture. So 3.33, multiply that by the delta of 0.595, and we're looking for this option to increase by about $1.98. Okay? Now, if we're looking for it to increase by $1.98, we add that to the premium that we paid. So 1.98 plus 4.65, and that comes out to 6.63. So if it's now worth 6.63 and we paid $465 for it, that equals a, let's see here, 6.63, divide that by 4.65, that equals a 43% gain. So you see now how we could actually jump in now and buy this Hilton, and we could say, okay, we're looking for a short-term gain here of about 43%. And for me, you know, with that expo here of the June 19th, that's plenty enough time away for expo. Look at Carnival Cruise Line still going there. But like I said, that's plenty of time till expo, the June 19th expo. We have that resistance right around 85. So 81.67 to 85. If we got there this week, we're going to have over a 43% gain because we still have extrinsic value or time value left in that option premium.
Last hour or so, S&P 500 futures just over the last 3 or 4 minutes fell below the 30.45 level, now rebounding a few points. 30.48 last trade in S&P 500 futures. That's up 0.2% for the session.
Okay, so like I was saying here, Visa's getting a nice little climb there. But like I said here, if this happens this week, you're taking that, you know, that's going to be well over a 50, maybe even a 60% gain. But that's a nice target there on Hilton, easy trade idea. And you could easily jump in that and look for that $85 target there. And then you could already, if you made this trade, watch this. So if we made this trade here, call on Hilton, expiration June 19th, 80 strike. You want to send out that as a trade idea? 80 strike call on Hilton? I like it. Let's send that out. $80 strike. And then we could even include this video clip here as a as an analysis of the trade. Or I could, we're getting off right now, it's 11. I could make a quick video. You could attach it to that trade alert if you want. You want to do that? I'm in the mood to do it today. Having a good start to the week. $2,000. All right, so yeah, that's a good idea there on Hilton. I'd be looking for 85 target this week or next week, and that'd be a nice quick 40% to a 60% gain I'd be looking for. But if you wanted to make this trade now and you jumped in at $4.60 a contract, what it's going for right now, I'd put $6.50 as my target to sell. So that way it automatically sells. You don't have to look at it. And then obviously all you have to do each day is look at that stop, see if it hits that stop. Stop on here. Stop on here is going to be first candle below that 10 SMA. Or first candle below, let's say, first candle below $80. So we are going to get that trade idea sent out to you guys now, and that's going to basically do it here for the morning session. It's already 11. That went by quick today. I think I'm nice and relaxed after that boat fishing. I needed that. I could go for a massage though. Anyway, looking good today, guys. Locked in that nice profit on the first Amazon trade. Second Amazon trade's down about $700 right now, down 16%.